Welcome to a modern architectural masterpiece, a private ultra-luxury estate designed for those who value space, privacy, and refined living. Surrounded by endless greenery and dense forest, this extraordinary residence blends contemporary design with the natural landscape, creating a seamless connection between architecture and nature. As we approach the property, a smooth curved driveway leads us toward the heart of the estate, revealing a striking modern mansion defined by clean lines, stone textures, and expansive glass walls. The flat green roofs and horizontal layout emphasize sustainability, balance, and modern elegance, while floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood every interior space. To the side of the mansion, a luxurious swimming pool reflects the architecture and sky, offering a resort-style outdoor experience. Nearby, a private tennis court and a full-size sports field elevate this home beyond traditional luxury living. In the distance, a beautifully integrated private golf course blends into rolling hills and forest, reinforcing the estate's exclusivity and scale. Inside the mansion, open-concept interiors feature premium materials, minimalist design, and uninterrupted views of nature from every room. Each space is crafted to deliver comfort, sophistication, and tranquility. This estate is not simply a home, it is a private sanctuary, a statement of modern luxury, and a lifestyle defined by freedom, elegance, and space. A true retreat where architecture, nature, and luxury exist in perfect harmony.